Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I am the City Escape Griller, and today I'm going to show you how to make what I call a New York Hangover Helper. So anytime you go out drinking in New York City, the next day on the way to work, you stop at the deli, you stop at the bodega. You could be in Brooklyn, you could be in Manhattan, you could be in the Bronx or Queens, Staten Island, it doesn't matter. Anywhere in New York, you go into a deli and you ask for one of these. It is a bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll. And today I'm going to show you how to make that right here on my Weber Q. The first ingredient, of course, is 2 eggs, and I'm using medium-sized eggs here. The Weber Q Griddle has limited real estate, and these smaller eggs are perfect for it. Scramble these eggs together. And now I'm going to add some butter to the griddle that I've preheated. And then pour the eggs onto the griddle. And you got to do this nice and slow because the eggs will run toward those little grease holes. Get back here, you. And as the eggs cook, you just want to kind of scrape around a little bit and try to get them into the shape of the bun, or at least the best you can. Again, they just go straight toward those grease holes, so you just have to watch out for that when you're using the Weber Q Griddle. Or if you're using a Blackstone or some other type of griddle, you don't have to worry about that. You've got more real estate to work with, so it's a little easier than it is with this small griddle here. The next thing we're going to do is put a Kaiser roll onto the griddle, and yes, it has to be a Kaiser roll. And we'll go ahead and flip those eggs. Two slices of cheese, and that's what this recipe is. 2 eggs, 2 slices of cheese, and then of course 2 strips of bacon that we've cut in half. And then close the lid for about a minute, let that cheese melt. And just like that, our sandwich is ready to come off the griddle. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a Kaiser roll is an absolute classic in New York City. And they will always ask you too. They'll always say salt, pepper, ketchup, but I prefer mine with no salt, pepper, ketchup at all. Just plain is perfect for me. And this right here, my friends, is how you take care of a hangover in New York City. Okay, so there we have it. New York Hangover Helpers, bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll. I am very excited to try this. It's perfect, and it takes me back to New York City. You know, being up here, away from everybody, social distancing during this pandemic, I am instantly transported right back to New York, and a little Gatorade to wash it down. New York Hangover Helper. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And of course, keep on grilling.